Page 125, chapter 24, area. So your length goes from here to here, your width from here to here. So to find the area, you multiply your length, which is 2, by your width, which is 4, and that gives you 8 centimeters squared. Do not confuse this with perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the 2D shape, so you add all the sides. So this would be 4 centimeters, then 2 centimeters, even though you can't see the 2, you know it's 2 because it's opposite or parallel to this line, plus another 4 centimeters plus these 2 centimeters gives you the perimeter. Question 1, you'll get your ruler and the length is always going down the page and the width is across. Measure, put them in, then multiply your length by your width, you'll get the area, then add up all your sides to get the perimeter. B, C and D are the same. Question 2a, calculate the area. Remember, the formula is the same. 7 times 3 will give you 21 squared centimeters for your area. The perimeter, you'd add 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3 because you're going around the outside of this object. B to I are the very same. Question 3, they're asking you to calculate the perimeter first, so it'll be 8 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1. That's part I. Part II is the area, so 8 multiplied by 1. And the rest of these are the same. Take particular care in how you write your answer. So if it's area, for this one it's 8 centimeters squared. Look how small the 2 is, and it just touches the top of the M. For perimeter, you just write 12 centimeters. There's no need for anything to follow it. Use a calculator if you wish. Take care in your presentation.